been a while since I made a video, but I'm here today to make a video. I actually also filmed an outfit of the week video yesterday, which will be up after this one, so... But today I'm going to be doing a quarantine cleaning. I'm going to be doing a video where I deep clean my room because what else am I going to do? We all know what is going on right now. The entire country slash world is under lockdown slash quarantine slash social distancing. Ugh. Oh my god, I forgot like how to talk. I also include some of the things I've been doing while I'm at home, so hopefully this can give you guys some ideas. Basically, I go through my junk drawer and my desk, which was an absolute mess and has been for months, so I'm really happy I finally got to clean that out. I also went through my dresser, which was also a mess, and I Marie Kondo style folded everything, so it looks super nice in there. Not sure how long that's gonna last, but looks really cute, and I show you guys how I do it. I asked you guys on Instagram what kind of videos you guys wanted to see, and most of you guys wanted to see a life update kind of thing, so I will definitely be doing one of those because I know it's been a long time since I sat down and filmed a video. It's been a very weird time. I've been social distancing for almost a week now. It's been interesting, but I think that we can find good things to bring out of this and learn new things and learn more about ourselves. I hope we are all doing our part in staying home if we can. I know how privileged it is to actually be able to stay in a nice home and be at peace versus people who are in abusive homes or in bad situations in general where this time will not be peaceful and easy for them. So I just want to take that time to like address that because I understand how lucky I am to be able to be in this position, as I'm sure many of you guys are too. Anyways, I don't want to get too much into it because I'm sure we are all, like I am, overexposed to everything that is happening every second on social media. So I want this video to be something that you guys can use as inspiration, as distraction, as whatever you need it to be, just so that we can get away from all of the negative and fearful energy that has been consuming everyone lately. I think that is all I have to say right now. I hope you guys enjoy watching me deep clean. I also make a collage, which was fun, so... to tackle my dresser. This will be interesting. It is a mess in every single drawer, so yeah, I'm just gonna take everything out and refold it. I'm just gonna start by just literally taking everything out and putting it right here, and then I'm gonna start dividing them into categories. When all I do is pour black coffee. I'm folding them like inside here, sorry if you can't see that well, but I'll leave a link below for what I'm using on how I learned to fold like this. This is definitely gonna take a while, but I hope it's worth it. Alright, so this drawer is done. I am going to move on to my t-shirts and then pants, and I will get back to you guys because my camera is about to die, so I'm going to charge that while I do the rest of my dresser, and I will show you guys the final result. I am all done. I actually didn't do my top 2 drawers of my underwear and socks just because I can't do any more folding right now. I'm just going to go through what they look like. This is my shirts drawer. Then like t-shirts and sweatpants, and then in here are skirts and shorts. There's like a lot of empty room just because I don't have much right now. And then down here are like pants, and there's like a bunch of stuff in my dirty clothes, so I'm hoping it will fill up a bit more, but yeah. I think I'm going to go through these magazines and make some sort of wall collage to put on my wall. So I will film myself doing that / what it looks like when I'm done. Haven't slept a wink. And